Hello and good afternoon to everyone. Today we would like to present about heat and thermodynamic. I am Mira. Want to discuss about what is heat and what is thermodynamic. Heat is a wave moved from a region of a high temperature and a lower temperature. This will continue the flow until the both body have the same temperature, and this point is said to be in a thermo-equilibrium. What is thermodynamic? Thermodynamic is a branch of a physics that deals with the heat, work, and temperature, and their relation of energy, radiance, and physical property of a metals. Next, we are continue about additive of the greenhouse by Shahirul Amin.
My name is Muhammad Shairul Amin bin Safirul. The objective greenhouse to show a reduction in the rate of increase in energy consumption while at the same time changing economic development. To assist growth in the green technology industry and increase its contribution to the national economy. To demonstrate the certainty of sustainable development for future development and conserve the environment for future generation. Then to show increased education and public awareness on green uh, technology and encourage the widespread use of green technology. Okay, that's from me. Now I pass to Gloria. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Gloria Avila Agustin. My metric number is S30448. So today my topic is application and discussion. So today the first is greenhouse application. IoT in greenhouse all season garden. Greenhouse farming is an all season garden method used to exchange the yield of fruit, vegetable, crops and others by controlling and optimizing environmental factors that affect crop like temperature, ventilation, lights, exposure and more. It can be in different structure range of size or from small to industrial size building and from semi-automatic to full automated. So the first point is record data. The benefit is it's simple, easy by installing sensor for measuring the record data about the climate such as humidity, vapor pressure, VPD, temperature, light and CO2. So the second point is communication and remote management. Data record need to be transmitted to the farmer. The main role of the communication network gateway to read the sensor data and transmit it to the cloud platform or web mobile apps where the farmer can log in. And farmer have access to real-time data about water quality parameters. So the third is automation, equipment control. The benefit is save time and increase the ability to control in critical case and decrease the need to labor dependence. Sensor record data about water level and according valves take the action to turn the motor on and increase water level. The fourth point is data analysis. The benefit is analyzing data using machine learning or deep learning technologies will help in getting meaningful information and make better discussion related to harvesting, predicting upcoming weather condition. So, applying IoT in agriculture semi or fully control help the farmers to maintain the quality of crops, less operational costs and fertility of the land, save water consumed in irrigator and change the product volume and quality. So greenhouse negation is good heating system is one of the most important steps to successful plant production. Uh, Heating system that provide uniform temperature control without releasing materials harmful to the plants is acceptable. What the suitable energy sources are natural gas, LP gas, fuel oil, wood, and electricity. So the cost and availability of these sources will vary somewhat from one area to another. So greenhouse heater requirement depends upon the amount of heat loss from the structure. Heat loss from a greenhouse usually occurs by all three modes of heat transfer is first conduction, second convection, and third radiation. So energy loss due of infiltration in solar radiation enter the greenhouse and is observed by plant soils and greenhouse fixture. The amount of radiation heat loss depends on the type of glazing, emission, temperature, and amount of cloud. So how does heat work in a greenhouse? Solar energy direct from the sun passing through the greenhouse wall is the first and most important heat sources for the plastic or glass greenhouse. The electromagnetic radiation of the sun will hit all the objects inside the greenhouse, including enlarged thermal mass that you may have put there. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Is. I will continue with the conclusion. The conclusion is it is clear here that the greenhouse system in modern agriculture has now used a branch of it. Greenhouse, regardless of your gardening style, will significantly boost planting performance and result. A greenhouse procedures activities defense climate control, longer growing season, and uh, several other advantages. In simple words, this greenhouse system will cause the temperature change in it. Greenhouse are extremely useful gardening option whether your plant as a hobby or as a career. They offer an ideal environment for products, improve longer growing season and increase yield. That's all from me. Now I pass to Fahana.
Okay, thank you, Muiz. Now let's continue with the acknowledgement of the greenhouse. My name is Farhana Natasha. My matrix number is 30166. So we would like to thank our supportive team, which is Amirah, Shahirul Amin, Gloria Avila, and Abdul Muiz for assistance rendered during the teamwork together. Besides, we also like to thank the authors whose references surely appreciate the assistance of Hamad bin Khalifa University, a member of Qatar Foundation and based in Education City, Doha, Qatar. Qatar National Library provides open access grants. So that's all from our group about the heat and thermodynamic of the greenhouse. So thank you.